UT is funding a new emergency center led by a University of Utah professor. As news specialist Shelby Lofton explains, the hub will help Utahns and neighboring states ramp up preparation for extreme weather events and a public health crisis.
The Rocky Mountains and Great Plains Center for Emergency Public Health doesn't have a brick and mortar building. Instead, it's a hub of resources for states, including Utah, designed to help us be ready when disaster strikes.
As much as we'd like to, we can't control Mother Nature.
Natural disasters like Hurricane Helene show the devastation many communities are left with after extreme weather rolls through.
We need to be able to respond and do the things that we can to make ourselves as resilient as possible.
A new emergency preparedness center is designed to help with that. Dr. Kimberly Schoaf is director of the Rocky Mountains and Great Plains Regional Center,
where they funded 10 centers across the country, one in each of the regions, to work with state and local health departments and tribal health departments to help them be ready to respond to public health emergencies.
They've been working with those health departments for the last year.
Wildfires was their top priority. Flooding.
They're also concerned about severe winter weather.
When something happens during the winter, how do we get people to respond? How do we get people from here to there? What do we do about sheltering?
Dr. Schoaf's team helps train members of public health agencies, a field where turnover is high.
How do they work with emergency management? How do they work with the fire department?
It's part of a national effort to have a more coordinated response to disasters. Part of that is ensuring rural and tribal communities are included.
We have a council, an advisory council that has worked with us from tribal communities across the region. And so we've got those relationships there.
Dr. Schoaf says they'll send out messaging and alerts to help us prepare for what Mother Nature could bring our way,
so that we can absorb the forces that do impact us and bounce back.
Dr. Schoaf is currently working on earthquake research. She says expect to see information coming out from the center on major events like that. At the University of Utah campus, Shelby Lofton, KSL 5 News.